Know these 6 major things that you should not neglect but instantly resolve in a professional home inspection. Hi everyone, this is Kavita Ralhan and welcome back to Ask Housing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Number 1. Water leakage, mold and dampness. Number 2. Infestations by pests. Number 3. Plumbing fixture leaks. Number 4. Electrical or fire risks. Number 5. Cracks in the home. Number 6. Violation of the building code. ज़्यादातर issues dampness की वजह से arise होते हैं. You should always get your inspection done and solve the major or pressing issues first. To know more, click on the link in the description below. And if you like the information and have any questions, like, comment and subscribe.